Okay guys, so we are finally gonna be riding the project bike today. I know it's been a very long awaited thing, had a lot of issues, but we are finally ready to go. Unfortunately, it is 30 degrees outside, but we're gonna let it rip anyway.
What is happening?
Okay.
That's it. That's your one.
It is like 32 out or something like that, so I'm gonna get a little bit warmed up. It's also been a really long time since I rode, so I'll probably be absolutely horrible today. But we have, you can show, we're out here at the compound. Got a little motocross track out here. Also have a gravel pit that I'm hoping we can get into and just kind of do some riding for you guys and let her eat.
Hey guys, I'm freezing. I don't know where he is. I want to go get a muffin.
All right, this is the jump that I built the other day. Show the jump. Show the jump, filmer. Jeez. And then show the landing. It's pretty sketch. I cut it through the trees. So I've hit it a couple times. It's kind of a bit of a canyon. So we're gonna hit that and see what it's like. It's so sketchy. The landing is so gnarly down there. All right, let me hit it one more
Whoa, do you have a girlfriend?
Ew, stop. Why are you filming?
Yeah.
It's the wrong way, first off. All right, guys, this is the gravel pit. So we'll kind of hit some hill climbs in here and see. I mean, they kind of destroyed it because they've been working, but we'll see what we can do. It's pretty sick back in here, not gonna lie. So, yeah.
I don't know if I'm supposed to be filming right now, so I'm just gonna, let's get it on me. Give the cameraman some love here. Don't fly off.
It was steep. I'll give it another go.
Not enough cheddar. Huh? Did you say not enough cheddar?
That was so soft. Alright, should we pull some wheelies?
Oh yeah.
No, you can't do it like that.
I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to be doing, so fake it till you make it. Oh, I'm so tired. No idea what you just said. My hands. Booty.
Should we pull some wheelies on it?
Oh yeah, whatever gets us home faster. Sliding into your DMs like.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Successful filming taxi.
We're at the gravel pit. I got a new coat because I was so
Okay,
cold.
these aren't gonna make it in.
No, they are.
There's too many of them.
But you can pick some.
Yeah, but not this one.
So this is the gravel pit. If anyone's wondering, my eyes are watering because it's so cold.
All right, guys. Well, it's super wet out here, really hard and loamy, which is fine and everything. But the first ride on the bike, just kind of getting used to everything. But thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys kind of like these. I'm gonna try and push out some more of these. Try and do like every other week or something with this, the four-wheelers, the dirt, like just everything. It's kind of hard to do all this, but if you guys did like this, make sure you like the video, share it with someone, subscribe, all the things that everyone says, but it really does make a difference. And the more views we get and the more money I can get back from these, the more I can spend on these videos and do some sick stuff for you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. All right, well, this is my filmer. She just tripped and fell on the rock. She looks good. Just a disclaimer, that is my sister. That we are not yet a couple, just so everyone's clear. But also, if you guys watched the full build and saw how clean this was, officially no longer spotless. I actually crashed it 2 times, as you guys saw, but bike still looks pretty decent, and I built it to ride it, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. But let me get Melon Head over here back inside. But yeah, guys, peace. See you in the next one. Thanks.
Oh wait, I'm recording.
Oh, I smacked my butt on the water.